Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to change camera settings in Neverness to Everness game. So here follow the steps very carefully. So first of all launch the game and then press the escape button on your keyboard to bring up the menu and then click on the settings icon. Then go to the control tab, scroll down and here you will see the camera settings. Camera movement correction. You can enable disable as per your requirement. Combat camera default distance scaling. You can drag this to change this combat camera default distance scaling. Press to reset locked camera. You can also enable and disable it. Now first person camera setting. You can turn it on and off as per your requirement. First person horizontal sensitivity, first person vertical sensitivity, first person field of view and first person movement camera shake. So these are the camera settings in the Neverness to Everness game that you can change. So this is how you can change and customize the camera settings in Neverness to Everness game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.